The natural world is all we have. There's no planet B, as they say. And these species that have been evolving alongside us over millions and millions of years, I believe, have a right to be around as much as we do. Wildlife and conservation biology is the study of wildlife, their populations, what affects them, park management, all the things that affect the natural world.
This course is definitely hands-on. You do get all the background theory, but it's really important to be able to put that into context and work with these animals, work with the equipment.
The staff at Deakin are very passionate, enthusiastic about what they teach. They're very knowledgeable in what they do. You really feel like you're learning from experts in their field due to the background of experiences they've had in their careers.
With the course, there's lots of opportunities to go on field trips.
We go up to the Mallee and go to Little Desert. We go to the Grampians. Each camp focus on a variety of different skills.
I'm graceful.
The purpose of Cape Conran is to get real hands-on experience in the field with industry equipment.
We get to learn a whole lot of skills, including animal tracking, animal trapping, animal identification, bird identification, park management, which is really important as well.
We've done lots of animal handling here. We've been trapping small mammals.
It's a real hands-on approach to how we monitor populations, making sure that those populations are healthy.
I've had some mishaps, but that's all part of the learning experience.
Okay, let it go, let it go, let it go.
And now I can say that I have successfully handled some small mammals.
I love you, bye.
So at Cape Conran we have our own lodges. They're nice and warm with fireplaces, but we're smack bang in the middle of nature on the beach. So we've got the luxury of the cabins, but we also get to go out in the field and experience the real environment.
Here at Cape Conran we get to work with Parks Victoria as well as the Department of Environment, Land, Water and Planning in how they facilitate park management and the issues that they face. The wildlife conservation degree offers a wide range of overseas opportunities, overseas placements for exchange as well, working with organisations all over the world, so you get a real global perspective. So being a mature age student, I always considered myself a conservationist and always worked within the environmental realm in some way or another. I worked as an underwater videographer, and through that I got to work with a group of scientists, and I realised I wanted to do what they were doing instead of watch what they were doing. And I think that anybody who has an attitude towards the natural world and wants to help the natural world will benefit from this wildlife and conservation biology degree, because it really takes every dimension of the environment and gives you a really in-depth knowledge of it and can open your eyes to areas that you didn't even know existed.
Ultimately for my career, I just want to work with nature. Exactly where that is yet, I'm not sure. But Deakin will be able to help me narrow down my career path and really find what occupation is meant for me.